Hey everybody, my name is Sam, and I'm here in my garage, still unboxing pinball machines here instead of in the office. Hopefully we'll be back there and doing cool pinball stuff soon. Until then, I just unboxed this awesome Godzilla pinball machine. Let's take a look under the glass. Stern Pinball's Godzilla capitalizes on a perfect pinball theme. A tiny world under glass that Godzilla and other kaiju can rampage through, backed by audio and video clips from the classic monster flicks. And though Godzilla is a classic theme, the new features in this pinball machine are thoroughly modern. And its online features, yes, I said online features, in a pinball machine are downright futuristic. Let's start on the playfield. Godzilla's two crisscrossing metal ramps, an upper flipper with an inner loop, a ball launching ramp to a Mechagodzilla bash toy, and a collapsing building and bridge are a mix of familiar components, novel mechs, and, like designer Keith Elwin's previous games, including Jurassic Park and Iron Maiden, a somehow totally unique feeling layout. The building in the upper left is reminiscent of the ball lock mechanism in Pinbot or Doctor Who, rising and falling out of the playfield to alter ball paths and lock balls for multi-ball. The collapsing building effect for Godzilla multi-ball is amplified by a chaotic, simultaneous ball release from atop the building. It's fun, wild multi-ball set to Blue Oyster Cult's campy 70s nod to Godzilla, and it's the best feeling multi-ball start I can think of. The animated version of the building toy is only in the premium and LE versions, by the way. The bridge to the left of the building breaks into pieces much like the castle in Medieval Madness for more playfield destruction fun. But what's really cool is the downright magical magnet below, which can catch and move a ball to a precise position above the upper left flipper to set up shots, including the destruction jackpot. Another multi-ball is tied to Mechagodzilla in the lower right. A small rotating disc either sets up a bank of targets or a spinner and a jump ramp that sends the ball flying into Mecha's chest where it attaches to a magnet. It just hangs there in space. It's a really cool effect, and once again, only in the premium and LE versions of Godzilla. Moving up to the back glass, it is just as cool. There's tons of audio, video clips taken right from the movies. There's tons of kaiju that make guest appearances, and you can select from the start to play entirely in Japanese if you want. Pretty cool. Hit both ramps to let your first kaiju battle, a high-scoring mode from which you can select from several of Godzilla's past annoyances. Some of the friendlier giants show up too as allies, like Mothra, who lights the left outlane ball save, and it all looks and sounds perfect. It's easily the best pinball theme integration in modern memory. From the HD monitor to the playfield, it's amazing. Finally, Godzilla ships with Stern Insider Connected, an upgrade that future games will be getting, and it's also an optional upgrade for contemporary games. All of this allows you to track achievements, high scores, and other things via a QR code reader and an online account. This is just the start of online connected pinball, but it's a big deal. Pinball in 2022 is ultimately just as much about community as it is about competition. So a glimpse at this more connected future is pretty exciting. Check out Stern's Godzilla at a bar, arcade, or laundromat near you. And for more on pinball, we've unboxed the cool new Mandalorian machine, an Avengers machine, and you can see those both right here at IGN.